Good morning. My name is Robert Crowther. I'm the PGA Director of Golf here at the beautiful Bayside Resort Golf Club. I'm here this morning at the Cove Restaurant to give you a tip about golf club rotation access around your body. Take a look at the golf club. The toe is always heavier than the heel, no matter what club it is. It's built that way for a reason. If you think about it, if the golf club was connected to the center of your belly and you rotate it back, the toe would rotate up. As you come through, it stays with your body and the toe rotates up again. What I see a lot in the golf swings is the toe of the club remaining open, imparting right spin onto the golf ball. The club is swinging away from you. So what I'd like to see is the golf club following the rotational axis of your belly and more out in front instead of swinging out and away from you. You have any questions on that or would like further help? See your local PGA golf professional. And for members, remember, at the end of this month, April 1st, your unlimited cart plan is due and any unlimited discount tickets that you'd like to purchase for your guests. Thanks. Have a great day.